Hey fellow gardeners, today I'm planting garlic for the very first time and I'm taking you along for the journey. Let's learn together. Here's everything we'll need: fresh garlic bulbs, rich, well drained soil, a ruler or some type of measuring tool, a plant marker, and some mulch. First things first, we need to prepare our soil. I'm loosening it up with my hands. We want to go about 4 to 6 inches deep. The soil needs to be nice and fluffy for our garlic to grow strong roots. I've already added some compost and some worm castings. Garlic is a heavy feeder, so this extra nutrition will help it thrive. Just look at how amazing these garlic bulbs look. I got it from my local nursery. I'm just breaking apart the garlic. You want to make sure that you can do it in sections. That's what I'm doing, or whatever works for you. These garlic cloves are huge, and I'm using these as my seedlings for my garden. You also want to make sure that you do not remove any of the skin from the garlic. Just try to be a little bit gentle. I know it's hard, especially if you are a good beginner like me. Each new garlic clove will become its own garlic. Also, I did see someone using some chicken manure to top off theirs with, so that is something that I may think about doing. But just showing you guys how huge these garlic cloves are. They are awesome. They are beautiful. I cannot wait to harvest these next year. And you need about 4 inches. Just remember, 4 inches deep, 4 inches space. That's something that I'm using. I'm trying to use this as my indicator of where to plant the garlic, and you'll see that it's going to fly off. And I just make some indentation with the garlic. I realized that it would be a lot easier just to do rows. I know some people, they use like a piece of wood, and I think I'm going to look into that next year. There are so many cool contraptions that you can make. The garlic is so gorgeous, guys. I cannot wait. Look at all of these garlics that are going to turn into their own garlic for next year. They are huge and gorgeous. In the future, I think that I'm just going to break all of the garlic apart prior to planting it. Instead of just doing section by section, I realized that it would probably been a lot more convenient to just break everything apart. So I think I was doing at this point maybe two or three at a time. I wasn't sure how much garlic I was going to use. And this is hardneck garlic, and these are so strong. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit. I know a lot of people, they also use scissors. If you have any tips for me, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Also, if you have any nutrients that you put into your beds, please let me know. Whatever information that you think I will find helpful, I would love to learn how to improve this. And I also want to plant more garlic in another garlic bread. I'm really proud of myself. Several years ago, I planted store-bought garlic. I didn't wasn't aware that I should have went like the organic route, because pretty much nothing happened. So this time around, I went to get my seeds from a garlic farmer that's pretty much in my area. And as you can see, these garlic cloves are huge and they're gorgeous. I'm so happy that I decided to take the trip over there because these are just gorgeous. And I'm so proud of the row. Look how awesome that turned out just by doing the row method. Nice, clean, and I also added some more worm castings to each row. What I love about garlic is that once you plant it, you really don't have to do anything else. In Connecticut, a lot of gardeners say that they wait until Halloween to plant their garlic. So this is a few days after Halloween. I've been like patiently waiting. We've also been getting really warm weather, and I'm just really excited about this entire process. Once you plant garlic, it's like set it and forget it, which I love. The last step with planting each garlic clove is actually mulching it. I decided to use leaves, but you can pretty much use straw or even grass clippings. I think I may add a layer of grass clippings just to add that extra moisture. Just remember, the larger your garlic clove is the larger that your entire bowl will be. So I just wanted to make sure that I was using all of the best quality garlic that I had on hand. So I just opted to make sure that I was only using those instead of like the small ones. I had very, very few, maybe one or two small pieces that I did not use, but everything turned out perfect.